these are the problems that the Lions have faced all year. Too many mistakes with penalties and turnovers.
Dylan Gandy called for the infraction, negating a 17-yard gain. Eric Brown checks in. That's Calvin Johnson in motion. Culpepper looks to throw. Has time. Now he's on the move. He's going to keep it. Slide down around the 41-yard line. It'll bring up third and long. And let's check in with Jennifer Hammond down on the field for an injury report.
Yeah, first Jamar Williams, the linebacker, just went into the Bears locker room. They're going to take a look at him. His return is questionable. He has a back injury. He was actually injured on that 44-yard kick return by Devin Hester, so they're hoping to get anything on him and get him back.
Thanks, Jennifer. Back up to Lance Briggs. Tim Shaw has played well. Backup linebacker on special teams for Chicago. Hunter Hillenmeyer has done a nice job at the middle linebacker spot.